In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resend Xero Invoice. If a customer missed your original email or you just want to give them a gentle reminder, you can resend an invoice in a few quick clicks. I'll walk you through the exact path in Xero and share a few practical tips so your message lands clearly and professionally. Once you're signed into Xero, start by heading to the sales area. This is your hub for everything related to customer billing and receivables. From there, open the Invoices section. You'll see several tabs across the top, and the one you want for a resend is awaiting payment. This list contains invoices that have been approved and are still outstanding, which makes it the perfect place to find the invoice you want to nudge along. If you have a long list, use the search bar or filters to narrow it down by customer, reference, or date. Next, select the invoice you want to resend to open its detail page. Take a moment to confirm you've got the right one by checking the amount, due date, and customer name. It's always worth making sure the contact record includes the correct email address, since the resend will use whatever is stored on the invoice. On the invoice page, look for the three dots menu, typically in the top right corner. This menu contains additional actions you can take on the invoice. Click it, then choose email. Xero will open an email panel with the recipient details already filled in. You'll also see a pre-populated subject and message, and a link to the online invoice so your customer can view and pay it easily. Before sending, scan the recipients and message to ensure everything looks right. If you want to personalize the note slightly, you can add a brief, clear reminder like, "Just following up on this invoice," and keep the rest as is. You can also add yourself as a recipient if you want a copy for your records. Small touches like this help make your follow-up feel helpful rather than pushy. When you're ready, click Send Email. That's it. The invoice is on its way again. Xero logs the send of Vestinta on the invoice, so your audit trail remains clean and up to date. As a quick recap, you navigated to Sales, opened invoices, chose Awaiting Payment, selected your invoice, used the three dots menu to pick email, reviewed the details, and hit Send. With this flow, you can resend any outstanding invoice confidently and keep your cash flow moving.